Hey everyone! I want to personally invite you to my first online workshop offering called Trusting the Unseen. It's this Sunday, and I will include the registration information in my bio and also in the message that is included, the text message that is included with this video. And I really am excited about what to just share in practice, both what it means to feel in our bodies, what it means to really find in our breath and discover in our breath what it looks like to find trust, even when you don't have all the answers figured out. And there's so much wisdom as we contemplate what it means to when things end and new beginnings begin, and what it means to find that which sustains us even when the path is unclear. So definitely check out the information in the bio, and I would love to see you all there to practice with me.